Alright, so if your PC is stuck on an ASRock boot issue and Windows is not loading, this quick fix actually works. Now, most videos will tell you to just go into BIOS, click on exit, and then select the built-in EFI shell. If your motherboard has that option, then you're good. Just click on it, it will open a screen with some yellow and white text. Then press ESC, type exit, restart your PC, and your system should boot normally. But the problem is, a lot of motherboards, especially B450M, like mine, don't have that built-in EFI shell option. So if you don't see it, don't worry, I'll show you the working method. So what we're going to do is create our own EFI shell using a USB first. Go to Google and search for shell EFI GitHub. Open the GitHub page, and from there download the ISO file, not the individual EFI file, download the ISO version. Now we need a software called Rufus to make a bootable USB. I already have it, so open Rufus, select your USB drive, then select the ISO file you just downloaded. One important thing, this process will format your USB drive, so if you have any important files, move them before continuing. Now in Rufus, make sure you select MBR, not GPT. If you choose GPT, it may not work properly or may not show up in BIOS. After that, just click start and let it finish. Once it's done, plug the USB into your PC, restart it, and press the delete key to enter BIOS. Now go to exit tab, and instead of clicking EFI shell, scroll down to boot override and select your USB. It will show something like EFI USB. Click on that, and now it will boot directly into the EFI shell. You'll see a screen with a lot of text. That means it's working. Now simply press ESC, then type exit, press enter, and that's it. Turn off your PC completely, then turn it back on, and your Windows should boot normally again. And yeah, that's how you fix the ASRock booting issue. Also, if your PC is completely stuck and you can't do this on it, you can use another PC to create a bootable USB and then use it on your system. If this helped you, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.